From the Ancestry homepage, you can get to your DNA settings two ways. You can just double-click on the DNA indicator in your top menu, or you can click it and then select your DNA results summary. And from here, I'm actually going to make one other step. I'm going to switch to my sister's test, which I'll talk about. We talked about before. And then I'm going to go to settings. And the settings are on the upper right-hand side. This is DNA only settings. This is not your overall Ancestry settings. So in settings, there's many settings that you can adjust here in your DNA section. And I'm going to show you how to link your tree. And they call it tree link. I'm going to change is the indicator. My sister's not linked currently. I can link her to any tree because I have a manager or collaborator status with her, and I can link it to any tree in my account. And so I want to link her to my O'Connor Mead family tree. And then it wants to know who in the family tree, it's going to be her, she is, and so you have to enter her in your family tree as a living person. So I'll start to type it, and it's going to pick her up here, Susan O'Connor. And so I will select link the DNA results, and success. You've connected this DNA test to your family tree. So now Susan is connected to the O'Connor Mead family tree.